So if you want to register a .ke domain, you might just go to Google, search for .ke domain. And of course, if you say land somewhere here like this guy's Gandhi.net, you'll find that they're selling you a simple .ke domain at 22,000. These are 50 euros. When you translate that to Kenya shillings, that's around 22,000. You don't really need to pay 22,000 for a .ke domain when you can register it for cheap. So let me show you. To register the cheapest .ke domain, go to OLITT.com. So just type OLITT.com, OLITT.com. So this is one of the cheapest .ke domain registrars in Kenya. Then so you have two options once you land here. So this is the page. Actually, OLITT is an AI website builder, which means it allows you to build a website without really knowing how to code or anything. So in under 5 minutes you should have your site. But besides that, they also sell .ke domains. And when you reach here, you have two options. Either use this option here to search for a domain name, or come to domain tabs here and then come to .ke. And that's what I'm going to show you today. So when you come to the home page, click domains. Under the drop down menu, select .ke domains. And this is a specific page dedicated for .ke domains. As you can see, besides selling .ke or domains, OLITT also sells you a WordPress website, so WordPress hosting for around $10 per year. You can also create a shop for $19 per year, and you can also access the website builder for $19 per year. As you can see here, .ke domain price is currently, they are selling .co.ke at $3.99, so this is around $4 per year. And for you to transfer that, you'll have to pay around $9 per year. And of course, the renewal is just under $10 per year. Of course, you might be wondering, why should you consider a .ke domain? So if you're a Kenyan business, or you're someone who's considering entering Kenyan market, you will need something that screams, I care about Kenyan market. And there is no domain extension other than .ke that helps you accomplish that. So it helps you accomplish what you call the trust and of course credibility. And of course, besides that, we have what we call SEO, so search engine optimization. .ke tells Google that your business is targeting Kenyans, and now from then on it starts ranking better for local terms. Of course, also another reason could be you want to protect your brand. So if you are an international business that's considering to enter Kenyan market, maybe in the future, you're better off buying that domain name now instead of waiting for it later, of which you won't know. Maybe someone else will snag that one out. Of course, there are other types of .ke domains, such as .co.ke. This is perfect for businesses and commercial businesses. We have .or.ke for non-profits, .ac.ke for accredited academic institutions. Then, of course, we have .info.ke, .mopi.me. This is for personal websites. And as you can see, registering some of these extensions require some restrictions. Require some documents. For example, if you want to register .ac.ke, you will require some documentation from a recognized institution. Now, how to register .ke domain? What you just need to do is just come here. So we can either use AI to generate us or to suggest us domain names, or what you can do is just type in, say we already know. So my brand name .ke is like that, then click search. So what OLITT is doing right now is searching the database to see whether this name that I want to register is available. That's why it's saying searching availability. What happens is no two people can own the same domain name. This is unique. It's like your ID number. But of course, remember, it expires. That's why it says here renews this amount per year. That means if you fail to renew, you won't own that. So it will just go back to the market, which means someone else can register it. Now, if your domain name is available, click register. And of course, you have the other options that I told you. You have the WordPress website shop, website builder and all. So you pick the one that you want. So for today, I think I'll just go with the name. I want to register the name. So continue to cut. As you can see, for 1 year only, I'm just paying $30 instead of 150 euros. So that's a lot of savings. Now to continue, just click checkout, and then from here, now you're taken to a billing, a checkout page where you're required to log in. And then once you logged in, it's very simple. So you have three options here. You can either create an account and enter your name, your last email, and of course the password, or you can just use your Google. So most of the time I go with this option because I don't have to remember no passwords, right? So just click continue with Google, sign in to your Gmail, and then add your card, make the payment, and you'll have access to your brand new cheap.ke domain. So I'll leave a link in the description, and of course if you have more questions, just leave them in the comment section.